Hi guys, quick unboxing. SHF Bakugo. Great Explosion Murder God. Ng My Hero Academia. So, syempre, box and instructions. Yan natin dito yan. Ito muna. So, here's the main figure. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 alternative faceplates. Yung isa walang mask. Then another set of hair. Dalawang effects. And 6 na out hands. Check natin. Alright. So here's the main figure. May plastic pa. Tingnan natin. Ayan. So kung kilala nyo si Katsuki Bakugo, ito siya. Si Great Explosion Murder God. Lagyan natin yung yung kanyang effect sa ulo. Hindi pala siya effect. Parang kasama to sa niya sa mask. Kasama to sa mask niya. So, and there you go. Diba? Alright. Posing time.